Welcome to Legacy IS Academy. Today I am going to discuss another important topic of CSAT, that is ratio and proportion. In this topic also, every year at least you will get one or two questions. So first of all, we try to understand the basics of ratio and proportion. Ratio is nothing but comparison between two quantity. Consider quantity A, or in container A there are 20 liter milk. In container B there is 30 liter milk. Then what is the ratio between A and B? Simply we can say that it will be 20 upon 30 or 2 upon 3. So ratio is simply comparison of two quantity. Okay, so when we talk about proportion, proportion is comparison of two ratios. For example, 2 upon 3 equal to 4 upon 6. Whenever we are comparing two equal ratio, it becomes proportion. So this is the basics, and now we will try to understand ratio and proportion by solving a few questions. So question number one, if you see, and I will suggest try to pause the video, then solve the question, and then see the solution. Ratio A salary to B salary is 2:3. Means A to B is 2:3, and again the ratio of B salary to C salary, B salary to C salary is 4:5. What is the ratio of A salary to C? Whenever we want to get A salary to C, first of all, in two ratios, what is the common value is V. Okay, B is the common between the ratio 1 and the ratio 2. So what we can do, we will try to make the B value as a common. So here the value of B is 4, here value of B is 3. The common value of 3 and 4 will be LCM of 3 and 4. Okay, so here it is very simple. Or what we can do, we just multiply 3 and we just multiply 4 in this ratio I am going to get. So here A upon B will be 8 upon 12. Here B upon C will be 12 upon 15. Now value of B and value of V is here, both are same. So now we can say that A upon C equal to 8 upon 15. This is the way we can solve it. Hope you are able to understand. Now see one more question. In this questions, this is the value which has to be divided between Sherry, Very and Cherry in such a way that if 28, 37, 18 be deducted from their respective share, they have the money in a ratio 4x, 6x, 9x. What does it mean? Okay, in the mathematics, always remember one thing. You have to understand the questions very carefully. What the question is telling? Question is telling, okay, the ratio of salary of Sherry, Very and Cherry is 4 to 6 to 9. This ratio came when we have deducted something. Okay, that is the one aspect. Second aspect, whenever we talked about the ratio, it means some common value has removed from all these three salaries. Like initially I talked, ratio 20 upon 30 is equal to 2 upon 3. This is the ratio. So it simple means some common value like 10 has been removed from these two values. So whenever such questions comes, we can assume that the salary of Sherry is 4x, Berry is 6x and Cherry is 9x. These are the salary of 3 persons. but this ratio came when we deducted something. So, and this value is, we have to add this also. So total salary of Sari will be 4x plus 28. Total salary of Barry will be 6x plus 37, and total salary of Cherry will 9x plus 18, and it must be equal to 5783. So we can add, and here we can get the value of x. If we are solve this equation, we can get the value of x, and then we can say that it is Sari, it is Vary's income, and it is Cherry's income. If you solve this equation, you are going to get a answers. So here we can say that the value of x will be 300. And what they have asked? They have asked find the Sari's share. So Sari's share is 4x plus 28. Just put the value 4 into 300 plus 28. You are going to get a answers. Means 1200 plus 28. 1228 will be the answers. So hopefully you are able to understand this particular question. See one more question. Here 3650 is divided among 4 engineer, 3 MBA and 5 CA. Okay, means 3650 is divided among 4 engineer, 3 MBA and 5 CA, such that 3 CA get as much as 2 MBA. Means share of 3 CA equal to share of 2 MBA. Share of 3 CA is equal to share of 2 MBA, or we can say that share of CA upon MBA are in ratio 2:3. Okay, we got one ratio, and 3 engineer as much as 2 CA. Again we know that like 3 engineer equal to 2 again CA. So here it will be like engineer upon CA equal to 2 upon 3. So here we know that okay, CA is common between two things. So what we can do, we can try to make the CA as a common value. We can try to make CA as a common value. So and then we can get a share of CA, MBA and the engineer. So here CA is 2 and here CA is 3. I can multiply 3. Here I can multiply 2 and the 2. So what will be the value? So here CA will be CA, MBA, and I can say that engineer. The value will be 6, 9 and 4. So hopefully you are able to understand. Getting my point? So here the value like this amount of money has to divided in this share. So how we solved earlier questions, try to solve. Now you know what are the ratio. When you know the ratio, just apply. Like you can consider CA salary is 4x or 6x, MBA is 9x and engineering is 4x, 6x, 9x, 4x. So one CA is getting 6x. How many CAs are there? 5 CA. One MBA is getting 9x. How many MBAs are there? 3 MBA. So 6 CA. So it become 30x. It become 27x and it become 16x. You can add all these value and this value has to be equal to 30,650, then you are going to get a x value, then x value, and then what is the value MB? 9x. So hopefully you are able to understand this particular question. Now come to the one more question. The ratio of water and the milk in a 30-liter mixture is 7:3. So what does it mean? It simple mean 7:3. Here we can see that 7x is water and 3x is milk, okay, equal to 30. So 10x become equal to 30, x become 3. So water will be 21 and milk will be 9. So we have a mixture where 30-liter total quantity. In 30 liter we know that water is 21 liter and milk is 9 liter. Okay. Now find the quantity of water to be added to the mixer in order to make this ratio 6:1. Okay. Some water is added and ratio has to be 6:1. Consider we have added x liter water. So water will added into water, milk will be separated, and then that ratio becomes 6:1. Hopefully you are able to understand. Just solve this equation, you are going to get an answer. We can say that 21 plus x equal to 9 6 are 54, and x will be 54 minus 21 and it will be 33. So 33 liter water is, we have to add more to get a ratio 6:1. Now see one more question. So here 3 container A, B, C having a mixture of milk and water in a ratio. We have 3 container A, container B and container C. Okay, container A, B, C, the capacity of container A, B, C is 5, 4, 5. So here we can see that it is 5, 4, 5, and the water, milk and water are in ratio 1:5, 3:5, and 5:7. Okay, you are able to understand. So 3 container. So what we have to do? We have to separate milk and water. So whenever we have to separate, just remember quantity is 5, ratio is milk and water, milk and water, milk and water. So we have to think about how much milk are there in A, how much milk are there in B, how much milk are there in C. Okay, so how much milk are there in A? So A, ratio of A, sum of the ratio into total. Same way, ratio in second, ratio of milk 3, sum of the ratio 8 into total. Same way, ratio 5, sum of the ratio 12 into 5. This is the milk. Same way we have to see the water. It will be the water. Same 5/8 into 4 and then 7/12 into 5. So this is the ratio of milk to water. Hopefully you are able to understand. Just solve this equation, you are going to get an answer. Okay, so here I have discussed about basics of ratio and proportion. Okay, and ratio and proportion is nothing but simplification of 2 quantities or comparison of 2 quantities. I solve few questions to understand what is ratio and what is proportion, and the next video I will pick up few important questions of the UPSC and we will discuss. Then you are able to understand question in the UPSC are more logical, not formula based. Okay, so hopefully you are able to understand about ratio and proportion. Thank you for watching the video.